All right, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is welcome to another video of the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. We're just gonna look at a very quick Bitcoin update today. If you want to see the macro count, guys, check it out. Check out the previous videos, probably older than a week ago, just kind of understanding. But basically, we're looking for an end to this wave, a finished. It looks like we've got a 5-wave structure as we look at it. Just by looking at it, it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It appears that we need one more push to the high. That's my take on it right now. That's my bias right now. So with that being said, I think that in order to have this a finalized, I think we probably need to come up here and hit 99.50 or something like that, about almost close to $10,000. Then we're going to see a deeper 3-wave correction. That's what we've been saying for the last several videos. The price is kind of going sideways right now. It's kind of lulling us to sleep. So let's get prepared for a trade here and see what we can see. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Just take a peek at this this wave right here. All right, now what I'm looking at here, more and more this is looking like a 4th wave with the sideways action that it's given us. Okay, so with that being said, usually with the 4th wave, we want to see it retrace the 3rd wave down to the 382. Right now, we're just bouncing around the 236, around this zone right here. A lot of times, a 4th wave will also retrace down to the down to the 382, or somewhere between the 382 and the 0.5. Here is a liquidity zone right here that would be a nice area for price to come down to before it heads up for that last wave. Now we can't guarantee it'll go up. It'll go up there. In fact, it may just go sideways and then head on up here, give us a stop punt, and then come on down. So that's the way we're looking. Keep in mind this push to the upside is going to be very stop huntish. It's going to be, it's going to be quick. It's going to be fast and powerful. It's going to seem like it's going up and up and up. It's going to entice a bunch of buyers in here at the top around 10,000, and then it's going to probably most likely tank on you. Okay, it'll be something like this, where you get a stop punt to the high and then a reversal. Okay, you get a push up to the high right here and then a reversal, something like that. That's generally when you see the end of a wave fizzling out. Okay, after a 4th wave, that's the way they finish. Okay, just take a peek here and we'll just kind of show you just the way 4th waves finish. So you get the sideways consolidation, push to the high, and then a reversal. Okay, 3-wave reversal like so. Okay, you get price pushes at the last push to the high, and then a reversal. Okay, that is actually a 3-wave reversal, even though it's pretty steep. But again, you get the 3-wave push after that. Then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 pushed up to the high. Then we had a 3-wave reversal. Okay, so now we're coming to the same area on the chart. Okay, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this 4 is probably sideways, and then 5 gonna get a hit to our target up there at $9,900. It's gonna be pretty quick, and then we're gonna probably get a 3-wave reversal. But it might be larger in scale because it looks like we have a 5-wave structure finishing up on the grand scheme of things. And so in the larger structure, it looks like we've got the 5 waves finishing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Waiting for this 5th to finish. Going to get a larger 3-wave push. So that's the way I'm looking at it, guys. That's, again, my bias for now, unless we get more information, that somehow invalidates that wave count. That's the way I'm looking at the count, guys. That's the way I'm looking at this wave. So this sideways consolidation would lead me to believe that we probably have another push to the high. Now, whether we get this hit to the low, whether we get this hit down here to 90.73, I can't say for sure. Okay, we do have a 3-wave move right here. Got a 3-wave move here. I'm expecting this thing to finish 1, 2, and then a 3rd wave move. I'm expecting it to finish. It's probably going to take the shape of this right here. Let's actually zoom into this wave and let me just show you what to expect. The other day I said they can take this down several ways, and I drew it. What they've done is they've made this very complex. The way I'm seeing this right now is we have a 5-wave structure. We've got this very odd right here, this very odd shaped wave. It looks like a WXY for the B wave. It almost looks like a flat. Okay, this was very surprising on this hit to the low and then a stop punt to the high. That was surprising for the wave structure, but it's within the realm. And so if we got a 5-wave here, and then we got a 3-wave here, expecting some kind of a 5-wave finish. Okay, that's likelihood. Now, if this is a 3-wave, and I'm just interpreting it wrong, and I'm saying it's a 5-wave, but it's a 3-wave. If for some reason it's like that, this were a 3-wave, this would be a 3-wave, and then I would guess we would get another hit up here before we get a 3rd wave down, and that overall, what that would be here, if I can change my colors here, well, not that. Let's try yeller here. There we go. This would be 1, 2, and then 3, like that, and it would just be a very complex structure. Okay, but that's what we're looking at. So we're looking for this sideways chop to finish and then take us to the upside. I think everybody thought it was finished here, right there at this wave, but that was just kind of a just a fake out to the upside here. We basically had an impulse here, a 3-wave down, and then a stop hunt to the high, and then it came on down. So I'm still expecting some downward movement. This little price action right here looks like a 3-wave, so we could have some kind of a diagonal right here, and then a 3-wave out of it. Now, I'm not sure if that's finished or it's going to have some more to the upside. I'm not sure how that's going to play out. I would think more to the upside, but who knows? And then some kind of another 5-wave move to the downside. It's going to get us somewhere down to this 382 extension here around 90.73. That's the target. 90.73 could be anywhere between 90.73 and 89.15 in that ballpark. So it could be anywhere. The 4th wave generally retraces in this area. Now listen, if my interpretation of this is wrong, and this isn't a 4th wave that we actually already have topped out, which is possible, but I don't know if it's likely or not, but it is possible. Then if we've topped out, then we're still expecting a larger 3-wave correction. Okay, and so if price continues down impulsively beyond this region, even beyond this region right here, then we're thinking if price, then we're not thinking 4th wave anymore. We're thinking that this is a finished, completed wave. The 4th wave was in here somewhere, right in this region right there. Okay, and then we're thinking it's on its way down for a larger correction. So that's what we're looking for, and that's the way we're interpreting these waves. That's what we're expecting this wave shape to be. So not a whole lot of new information, but some at least. Some. Okay, let's take a peek at Litecoin as well. Litecoin, it looks, let's see, let's go to the 1-hour chart here. You can see on the 1 hour stochastics have a room to kind of come up and then turn over. So a likely move here on the stochastics. Let me move this out of the way. Sorry, guys. Get this out of the way as well. Boom, right there. Likely moves, we get a little bit of a push up, and then we get a turnover down. Not sure how that's going to play out, but again, the RSI is pointing to actually it's got some hidden bullish divergence here. Where price is kind of making a higher high while the RSI is making lower low. So there's some hidden bullish divergence here. That kind of supports another hit to the high, another leg. Whenever we see that kind of bullish divergence, kind of supports a leg to the upside. On the 4-hour chart, definitely we have plenty of room in the stochastics, plenty of room in the RSI to come on up. And we've got that hidden bullish divergence here on Litecoin. So be aware of that and watch out for that. So again, price is just looking to the upside right now. If the wave structure is telling me anything that I'm seeing. Now, one of the ways I was interpreting this wave is a potential diagonal to the downside for Ethereum. This is Ethereum now. I was looking at this as potential leading diagonal. If that's the case, then what we would be expecting here is a 3-wave move to the upside while we come on down after that. And so that would give us an A, B, and a C. That would also line up with a move down to the downside with Bitcoin and possibly with Litecoin before we go up for that final test of the higher highs. Okay, we've got a fib level looking right up here on Ethereum at 203. That's the next fib level to hit. So watch that area of the price. Let's see what. Well, sorry about Litecoin here. What are we looking at? Let me give you a price projection for Litecoin, just in case you would like to know it. The next fib target is going to be the 78.70, and that's going to give us an extended 5th wave, basically. in Litecoin. So 78.70 is a likelihood. It's possible. So be aware of that potentiality. Okay. All right. So that's what we're looking at, guys. Everything is looking like it needs to go down before up. That's the way I would think about it. But who's to say? Litecoin's been kind of moving first, so watch Litecoin, see what it's doing. But not a whole lot to say in the wave action here that's really going to give us any definitive, room to say yes or no, whichever way price is taking us. So hope that helps you guys. You guys have a fantastic evening. Sorry I can't give you more information than that, but that's just where we are, and there's just not a whole lot of wave structure to talk about here until we get until we get the market telling us where it's headed. So I would watch the 90.73 for reversal for the long. That would be a nice long up to 10,000 maybe if we get it, potentially to 89.15 in that range there. And see what happens with Bitcoin. You guys have a fantastic evening. Thanks for all the likes and the comments and just supporting of the channel. I really appreciate it. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.